Today, we're going to be talking about channel memberships. And after that, we're going to be fixing our 40 outdoor lights. Our spare bulbs have arrived, so we'll get them up and running. And the main topic of this video is we now have channel memberships available. So if you'd like to support the channel, it's $1.99 a month. There's a little join button down below this video screen. Any support we get will be a great help. It'll go towards getting spare bulbs and getting other projects finished. It's a great way to support the channel. Alternatively, we also have a Ko-fi, so if you want to buy us a Ko-fi, there's links to that down below in the description too. As a channel member, you will get exclusive perks. First of all, you'll get loyalty badges. A custom bulb badge will be next to your name so the community can see that you're a proud supporter of the channel, and the badge designs are exclusive to us. You get exclusive emojis. You can use these exclusively in chat, comments and live streams. And third, you get priority replies to comments. And as a channel supporter, you'll have your comments replied to first. Also, we're thinking about doing another feature called First Dibs. If you're a UK resident, if we decide to sell any lights, you will get the first dibs on them with free postage. Anyway, let's get back to our lights and get them up and running again. Let me just unhook these. We'll get them turned on. So as you remember, we had a bank of bulbs out because of a failed bulb, and I went to go and have a look for spares on eBay, and I managed to get these, which I'm hoping are the correct ones. The problem we had is these bulbs, I believe, are 2.5 volts and they're 0.14 watts, and the correct bulbs, somebody wanted, near as makes no difference, £8 posted for 4 bulbs, and I'm sorry, I am not paying that much money, but did my due diligence and continued to look, and I managed to find these. These are 2.5 volts, but they're 0.13 watts, so slightly under. But these bulbs, as you can see, are not driven very hard. They are not very bright. So let's have a look. Sellotape them in some bubble wrap, so they've arrived in good condition. They are very similar, but not quite the same. I'll try and fit these in, but these bulb holders are slightly bigger. We might have to do a base swap. Let's hope it works. If it's a fail, it's a fail. It'll stay in the video because we don't hide anything on this channel. No, definitely gonna have to try and do a base swap on these. So open that up. Is this one of the ones? Let's check. Yeah, that's the, oh, well, that's stupid. This is the bulb that failed, but it didn't have continuity, but now it's decided it wants continuity. I don't know. Christmas lights. Oh, that's why. That's all twisted inside. Liberated this from the original blown bulb that we had issues with. Straighten these terminals a bit more. Not working. Due to these new bulbs having a bit more girth on them than the original bulbs, the original bulb holders will not accommodate it, so I'm gonna have to find a bigger base that these will fit in. Oh, that's a bit snug. Oh, hold on, the terminals aren't quite coming out properly. No, I lost the terminal then. It bent inside. Okay, here we go. It's a little bit short there, but I'm hoping it'll still make a contact. Right, hopefully this works. They're the same brightness and it doesn't just pop. Brilliant. They are exactly the same. Original bulbs, 2.5 volts, 0.14 watts. These are 0.13 watts. So just a slight little variation. They're low voltage, and we've got them all working again, and all of the shades are free of water. We've dried them out. colour sequence is going to be off, but that's future me's problem. Current me doesn't really care right now because it's February, so we'll worry about that if we plan on putting them up again later this year. And where's the final one? There it is. Okay, so they are now fully repaired, ready to go back out in service. Sorry about the little side quest, but I know people like to keep updated on projects, and this one is now finished. So I believe they are Premier pearlescent lights. I have to do a bit more research on them because I never really found the actual box or who made them, but I believe they are Premier. Have a look at the adapter. It's a nondescript adapter, so we'll do a bit more research into them. So if you have a set of those pearlescent 40 outdoor low voltage lights and you need bulbs, the cheapest option I could find on eBay, and the seller still has more, but as you just saw, it didn't seem to make much of a difference. So if these lights are now all sorted, they can go back in their box until Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.